What's up, guys? This is English Grammar Explained, and today I'm going to do another exercise on prepositional infinitive complex or for-to-infinitive construction, as you like it. So, let's remind ourselves what it is and how it is formed. To make prepositional infinitive complex, I actually need preposition, and this is preposition for. This is the only preposition used. Then object number one, or first object. It can be noun or pronoun, and then infinitive, full infinitive. And now I need to paraphrase the following using the prepositional infinitive complex. Two sentences. I have to unite them or merge them, whatever. So, the stone was too heavy, I couldn't lift it. In this case, my prepositional complex is a part of predicate. So, this is it. 1, 2, and 3, like that. This is my complex. The subject is here, and the main verb is here, and this thing here is predicate. Prepositional infinitive complex here is just a part of predicate or adverbial. Where has my subject come from? It came from here, from the first sentence, and my main verb has also come from here. It comes from here, and this thing here is repeated as well. And then I put my preposition. There is no preposition here. I have to put it. And then I put me, and I take it from here. This is the subject of my second sentence. And then I have my infinitive from here. This is infinitive as well. So, the same technique in the first sentence. The text is too difficult. The pupils can't translate it. So I can rewrite the whole first sentence without any changes. That remains intact. The text is too difficult. And then I have to put my preposition for, and then I have to find my first object, the subject of my second sentence for the pupils. And then I find my verb. It's here. It's infinitive here as well, but we can use a modal verb here. I don't use it. To translate. It. And we are done. Well, what about the second sentence? The car is too dear, I can't buy it. Instead of dear, I would use expensive. That's much better, I think. Well, the car is too expensive. The car, the same technique. The first sentence remains intact. Is too expensive. And then I put my preposition for, and then I put my first object. This is it. But here, the subject is in nominative case. I cannot use nominative case in my object, so I use objective case for me. And then my infinitive. Here comes to buy. To buy it. And this is it. So, what about number 3? The story is easy enough. I can read it without a dictionary. This remains as it is. The story is easy enough. And here comes my preposition, for, and here comes my object, first object from this subject, for me, just like previous sentence. And then main verb, or my infinitive, to read it. And then all the other words. Okay, what about number 4? The weather was too bad. We couldn't go to the forest. Okay. The weather was too bad. As you see, the first sentence doesn't change at all. And here I put my for, and then I find my object number 1. And this is we. But I cannot use we here because we is the subject here and it's in nominative case. So I change the case of my pronoun, and that will be us, and then I use this go, because this is my infinitive, to go. I use full infinitive. Here is bare infinitive, because there is a modal verb here, to go, and then I rewrite all the rest to the forest. Number 5. The coat is too long. I can't wear it. Okay, the same technique. First sentence without any changes. The coat is too long for me to wear it. This is all my exercise. It's quite short. But it's quite interesting, much more interesting in my opinion than the previous one. And this is all for now. Please subscribe and leave comments. See you in the next video.